How to connect Bitget Exchange and setting auto trading spot grid. Go to the login page TradeHunter AI Trading and enter your email and password to access your account. Click on Sign In to access your AI Trading Tools account. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to the dashboard TradeHunter AI Trading Tools. On the dashboard page, select the menu in the top left corner. Choose Connect Exchange. On the Connect Exchange page, copy the displayed IP whitelist. You will need this when creating an API key on Bitget. Open Bitget Exchange. Click the menu in the top left corner. Scroll down and click More Services. Scroll down and find API Key. Choose API Keys. Click Create a new API key. Choose Automatically Generated API Keys. Enter a label name, any name you prefer. Set a passphrase as the API key's password. In the Bind IP address column, paste the previously copied IP whitelist in Page TradeHunter. Select Read and Write Permission. Choose Spot Trading, Open Interest, and Future Order. Click Confirm. Enter the verification code sent to your email. Enter the Google Authenticator code. Click Confirm. After created successfully, securely store the generated API key and secret key. Go back to the Connect Exchange page on TradeHunter AI Trading Tools. Choose Bitget from the list of available exchanges. Input the API key, secret key, and passphrase generated earlier on Bitget. Click Connect. If the connection is successful, you will see a notification stating that the Bitget Exchange connection was successful. Click the menu in the top left corner. Select Settings. On the Settings page, choose Bitget Exchange. Select Grid as the strategy. Input the amount of balance you wish to allocate for TradeHunter auto trading. Ensure a minimum of 15 USDT is available in your Bitget account. Click Save. If successful, a success notification will appear. Click the menu in the top left corner. Choose Dashboard. Scroll down and locate the option to start the auto trading bot. Click Button Start. The label should change to Start. Congratulations! Your auto trading grid is now successfully running using AI Spot Trading Automated.